am Ratan Raj Ojha of section 13. My roll number is 20CE30021, and as a part of my do-it-yourself assignment 3, I will be disassembling, showing the working and reassemble this pressing iron. So let us first see if this works. So we can see the LED indicator is on. Also the hot plate got warm. It's in working condition. Now let's disassemble it. As I have disassembled the entire press iron, now let us go through the parts one by one. This is the main power cord which supplies current to the press iron. This is the live wire, the earth wire and the neutral wire which is connected through the socket here. The plastic body protects the user from the heat and the electrical components of the press. This valve or knob here predetermines the temperature or the max temperature that can be reached by the press iron. Now we will look at the main component. This is the main component of a press iron. Let's look at the parts. This is the heating element which is made up of nichrome, which is an alloy of nickel and chromium. This is the thermostat, which is basically a switch controlled by the temperature. This is a thermal fuse, which helps to protect the heating element from overheating and damaging itself in case when the thermostat is faulty. So let's see the working. This is the live wire. The current flows through the thermal fuse to the thermostat and through the bimetallic strip to the heating element. And this is the neutral wire, the current flows out. And this is the earthing wire which is connected to the hot plate to protect the user from electric leakage. Now let us see how a thermostat works. The heat flows through this metallic leaf to the thermostat, and below we can see the bimetallic strip. As the name suggests, it contains two layers of different metals having different coefficient of thermal expansion. So when they get heated, their length extends differently and they move backwards. So we can see currently this is in on position, and when it's get heated it will get back, disconnecting the circuit. I'm going to demonstrate how a thermostat works. Let us assume the below one is a bimetallic strip and the above one is a metal leaf. So currently they are connected and the circuit is closed. When the bimetallic strips get heated, it will turn back due to the difference in coefficient of thermal expansion between the two layers. The valve here which puts pressure on the metallic strip. So if the valve is in the maximum position, it will be like this, and the bimetallic strip and thermostat will be in contact for a much longer time. As we saw it's working, let's reassemble this. So finally I have reassembled the press iron. Let us see if this works or not. The LED indicator is on. Also this metal plate is on. So this works. Thank you.